We all have heard about Titanic, that massive cruise ship. Ever thought if there is something larger than this? Here it is, twice the size of the Great Titanic. China's first domestically built large cruise ship has been transferred to the docks in Shanghai for assembly and is expected to be delivered in 2023, according to the Shanghai Waigaoqiao Shipbuilding Company Limited, a subsidiary of China State Shipbuilding Corporation Limited. A ceremony to celebrate the completion of the cruise ship's frame structure was held on Monday morning at Shanghai Waigaoqiao Shipbuilding, a unit of the world's largest shipbuilder, the China State Shipbuilding Corporation. Hello everyone, welcome to World of China, a channel to explore China. In today's video, we are talking about the symbol of China's first domestically built large cruise ship, which is twice bigger than the Titanic. So stay tuned and give this video a big thumbs up. 2 years after its steel sheet cutting ceremony, the vessel has finished more than 45% of its total construction workload, and it's ready for interior decoration, the completion of mechanical and electrical facilities, as well as system adjustments. After 731 days of work, the 323.6 meter long, 37.2 meter wide cruise ship is taking shape, and it's due for delivery in 2023. The ship, which is part of a joint venture between China State Shipbuilding Corporation, or CSSC, and Carnival Corporation, is viewed as the first step for the Chinese to enter the cruise ship construction business that is currently centered in Italy, Germany, France, and Finland. Carnival Corporation announced in October 2015 that it had formed a joint venture with China State Shipbuilding Corporation, or CSSC, and China Investment Corporation, or CIC, to launch a multi-ship domestic cruise brand in the Chinese market. The effort, which was in addition to the company cruises from China aboard its Costa and Princess cruise brands, announced in 2016 its intention to build 2 large cruise ships for the domestic Chinese market and finalized the agreements in late 2018. To assist with China's entry into cruise ship construction, CSSC and Fincantieri established a separate joint venture to grant a technology license of the ship model platform and to provide technical and project service support throughout the shipbuilding process. Among the elements of the construction being supported by this JV are project management activities, supply chain management, and sales of fundamental systems and components. CSSC signed a cooperation agreement on the design and construction of 2 135,500 metric ton Vista-class cruise ships with Carnival Corporation and Fincantieri in November 2018. Carnival, a British-American cruise operator, is the world's largest leisure travel company, while Fincantieri is an Italian company, is one of the world's largest cruise ship makers. According to the agreement, CSSC will work with Fincantieri to design the ships, which will be based on the Chinese market's requirements and Chinese tourist needs. Shanghai Waigaoqiao Shipbuilding will construct the ships and then deliver them to a joint venture between CSSC and Carnival that will be tasked with operating the vessels to attend the Chinese tourism market. The contractual price of each ship is $770 million. The first of the ships is scheduled to be delivered to the joint venture in 2023 and the second in 2024. The 3 parties also agreed an option for another 4 vessels of the same type. The project marks the first time China will build a large advanced cruise ship on its own. It's a new milestone for the country's shipbuilding industry because it marks an end to China's inability to design and construct large cruise ships. The 2 cruise ships, which will each measure 1,062 feet in length and 135,500 gross tons, are being built at Shanghai's Waigaoqiao Shipbuilding Company. The first steel for the ships was cut a year ago, while CSSC has also been developing the infrastructure to support its entry into cruise ship construction. One of the dry docks at the SWS yard was refurbished to provide cruise ship construction, a new office building, facilities to support contractors, and a new block assembly line were all established. Each ship will be powered by 5 diesel generators and driven by 2 electric thrusters. They will have a cruising speed of 33 kilometers per hour and a maximum speed of about 42 kilometers per hour, designers said. There will be 16 stories of living, shopping, and entertainment quarters that'll offer musical performances, art shows, and a wide variety of foods. The vessel will have 2,125 passenger rooms capable of accommodating 5,246 tourists. There will also be nearly 700 rooms for the crew. CSSC and SWS also announced the signing off of a contract with Marine Interiors, a subsidiary of Fincantieri, for the supply of approximately 2,800 cabins modules to be installed on the first ship. Fincantieri cited this contract as demonstrating the validity of their decision to form the joint venture with the Chinese shipbuilder. SWS recently also displayed the first cabin units built for the new cruise ship. The prefabricated balcony model cabin included the prefabricated balconies, balcony doors and windows, balcony glass railings, and partitions. According to SWS, the smooth completion of the balcony model cabin, which was the first ever completed domestically, is a verification of the construction standards and technological process, establishing confidence in the consequent construction of cabins. Zhu Qi, the yard's deputy general manager, pointed out that the interior decoration project is a new field for the company, and it's also a key element of concern to the ship owner. The shipbuilders have been following a methodical process and careful steps to develop the design and the specialized technical skills needed to build a cruise ship. Among the areas they're also currently working on are the ship's laundry and the equipment to support onboard catering. Zhao Qi noted that the yard is learning the technology and construction management while emphasizing the importance of working together and strengthening communications with Fincantieri and other contractors on the project. The new cruise ship, which will accommodate about 4,250 passengers, will be delivered in 2023. The 2018 JV also gives CSSC Carnival Cruise Shipping Limited the option to order 4 additional China-built cruise ships. CSSC Carnival also agreed to acquire 2 existing cruise ships from Costa Cruises, which it'll use to launch the new cruise operation. No date has been announced for the new company's first cruises. Another joint venture was set up by Italian shipbuilder Fincantieri and CSSC Cruise Technology Development Company Limited, or CCTD. It grants a technology license of the ship model platform and provides a series of technical services to SWS, including project management activities, supply chain management, and sales of fundamental systems and components. During the China International Import-Export, or CIIE 2020 in Shanghai, Marine Interiors, a subsidiary of Fincantieri, also signed a contract with SWS for the supply of about 2,800 cabins to be installed on the first unit of the program. Materials and components will be supplied from Italy and then installed in China under the supervision of Fincantieri China. Large cruise ships are high-tech and high-value-added shipping products that China has not yet produced. The construction of the cruise ship will be a complex project, and the number of parts used to build the ship is equivalent to 5 times the number used to build a C-919 large passenger aircraft. New equipment and technologies such as laser cutting and robot welding machines have been used in the shipbuilding process, and the application of the Industrial Internet of Things has facilitated its intelligent management. But ultimately, it's a new era for China's shipbuilding industry. It marks an end to China's inability to design and construct large cruise ships. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then give this video a big thumbs up and share it. For more exciting videos, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. I'll be back with another exciting video soon. Till then, check out our channel for more exciting videos and stay tuned. Check out why China's shipbuilding giant Wujiao Ship Repairing and Building went bankrupt. The link is in the description below.